G'day, it's all about a handover with a Kimberley Caravan, my hybrid van that goes up and down. Now when I set this up, I've got my brakes on, I've put a leg down at the back, and I've leveled my suspension. So when you get to camp, what we want to do is level our suspension, put our leg down, and open up here. Once we open this up, I've got a really good cheat sheet right here. I'm going to pull this off, read my cheat sheet, setting up the Kimberley Caravan here with your SEQ Campers team. Now we've got our cheat sheet here on this one, and what I'm going to do is just make sure that I get those clips up, making sure that when I undo them, they go all the way up. I can see all my 4 clips are up, and let's undo the back. Now there's a lot of power in the back here. These struts push up, and what we have is unfolding the back. Please, I've done this a few times, but great tip. Good posture, stand to the back and use the palm of my hand to squeeze. That's going to give me a lot of control just by reaching in there, squeezing and adjusting that barrel bolt. I do the little dance, step outside, and I just want to look good doing it. This is unfolding the back tailgate, carpet in here on my Eco Suite, and that's the back of my bedroom. Let's send this up here. Now I do have to get in, turn on the power for my unit. We've got 3 ways to set this up. 1 is a remote control. Number 2 is the button on the inside, push the button. And number 3 is going to actually be a mechanism underneath. We stick it into the actuator and we can wind this up by hand. There is a redundancy there, but right now, using my remote control, make sure you've turned on the power in the back. We always want to have our DC power on. That's going to make sure our electric brakes and our fridge, everything's working. In the 48-volt system, part of our handover video is talking about power. Now I like it here. People say, when's it going to stop? I know it's going to get higher than my bed at the back here, but what I am looking for, I'm just going to hit a little mark here. It's going to stop on its own, and that guy is going to then be my setup there. So I've just got above my little one there, pushing the button, and that's me up there. So we've got our caravan up and we're ready to push out the bed. Now please remember, sticker here, sticker inside. Do not push the bed out without putting the legs down. I have 1 leg down on that side, so let's just demonstrate what we're gonna do here. I've put it up. It's time to put the leg down, and making sure I do this first, pull out the handle with my handle. People love a 19 mil socket and a drill, but really it is not too hard. Now when I have my airbag suspension here, I'm a little bit of a shortcut here for me is that I know most of the time my leg is already going to be that long, and it's no problem, it's that long, that I could still put it away. So pull out the handle, lower it down, and put some tension on the leg. Ideally, I'm leveling my van with the airbags first. And if I need more tension, I can either lower some air out of the airbags or use my jockey wheel at the front for leveling front and back. Airbags for leveling side to side. Let's go and set up the stairs, push this bed out. Now when we're set up, hooked up to a vehicle, it can be 90 seconds to set up. Unhooking from the vehicle was the longest thing that we did. We're going to undo with our spring, our blue clip again. Now this guy, as a package, grab the whole package, pull the package out, and make sure it's locked in. So that's how we want to do it, then unfold. Again, when we're talking about this, it's fold up the package, bang, bang. While it's a package, then we unlock and put away. People who try to flop it around, make sure the package comes out, got the whole package, then unfold it. Let's sneak inside here. We're going inside to our van, and we're going to push this out the back. Now I then just have to lift up the seats, pull out the table, and enjoy. Please note, you're gonna find a little gap up there at the back of your bed. Everyone says, what do we do, Shane? But it's actually gonna then push out the bed, grab my little remote, or in older models, I might go in and push the button. I'm just gonna lower it down, 1, 2. That's now rested, that's sealed up all the back here, and I've now got a great seal on the back there. Remember, when I want to pull that bed in, I'm gonna have to go up again. 1, 2, now the bed has no weight on it. I can pull the bed in and go on my next adventure. That's a quick setup. Remember, legs down, unhook, level, and push the bed out and enjoy.